Hello and welcome. So today we have a very powerful multi-barrel grenade launcher. So let me show. We have a barrel gun and there are 3 barrels into the barrel gun, and we have a trigger system. We have a trigger system and it's an electrical trigger system. We have a modern frame to make it comfortable. Okay. So let me show how to load this grenade launcher. And do not try this at home because it may be dangerous if you are not a professional. So let's see. So now we are ready for a test and let's do it. I think it's very dangerous, so do not try this at home.
1,
2,
3.
So our experiment is successful, and I think it is this homemade weapons is so dangerous and more powerful. So I recommend you do not try this at your home anyway because this is so dangerous. So I think you like this video. If you like it, so please share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and then press all for my all new notification. So thank you. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.